Hi, I am Melissa Edwards, and I am going to talk about the main points of my technology plan. I'm going to start with the goals of the technology plan. And over the next 5 years, the goals are students will become avid learners that implement technology within their education daily, and staff will become more fluid in using technology to engage students and enhance their lessons within their current curriculum. Okay, integration of technology. The objectives or sample activities of integrating the technology will be to provide specific and objective feedback on learning that can be analyzed for success, encouraging continued motivation by providing activities that contain choices of relevancy, engagement, and various levels of difficulty, keeping record of real-time data to track student success in areas of improvement, tracking progress on learning goals, student success assessments and action plans, and communicating and collaborating with everyone. So these will be key activities to make sure that the technology is integrated correctly. Okay, professional development. The objectives and sample activities of this section of the plan will be weekly professional development meetings among educators on specific programs, software, weekly professional development meetings for students on specific programs and software, collaboration, sharing of knowledge between grade levels, collaboration, sharing of knowledge between departments like math, ELA, science, social studies, and access to technology coordinator for any questions or concerns. And this will be for an elementary school. Where there is also an acceptable use policy that has to be followed involving technology being integrated. And there will be monthly meetings in collaboration with community and stakeholders. And then we're down to roles, budgeting, and evaluation. This will include designated personnel roles, for example, librarian, technology integrator, technology coordinator, for example. Those will be those people that are designated with specific instructions and roles to implement this technology for it to be successful. A budget plan that specifically allocates funds to needed areas. Evaluation questions. Examples could be, are the goals being implemented? Is data and research being utilized efficiently to measure the implementation of more technology with education? So those are the type of evaluation questions that will be involved. And there is a specific 5-year action plan that breaks down exactly what is going to happen from year to year in the plan. And at the end of each year, the plan will be reevaluated. There will be changes made to the plan that we see fit that needs to be changed. If something is working greatly, then we will continue doing that. But if there's something that needs to be changed immediately, that can also be handled as well in the 5-year plan. And hopefully at the end of the 5 years, the goals that we set at the beginning of the plan will be implemented at full force and working, and then we can move on to making changes to go to the next step involving technology. Okay, and that is the gist of my technology plan. I hope that I've explained everything as an overall, and you have a clear picture of at least what our goals are for technology to be implemented at the elementary school at a higher level to increase engagement and increase scores of standardized tests and just help the students learn better and develop their skills using technology. Okay, thank you for listening. I am Melissa Edwards.